Have you ever asked an AI to do something specific and actually got a clear, useful answer? That usually means you used an instruction prompt. An instruction prompt is a direct command. It tells the AI exactly what to do. Not just a general question. For example, if you type, "Explain artificial intelligence in simple words for beginners," the AI will follow your instruction and give you a focused, structured explanation. And you can use the same idea in real areas like business, art, science, and more. Very practical and real examples. Write an artist statement, 150 to 180 words, for my abstract paintings. Tone, poetic but clear. Include 3 themes and avoid cliches. Or, write 3 cold emails to sell social media management to local restaurants. Each under 120 words. Include subject lines and a simple CTA to book a 10-minute call. Or, rewrite this research abstract for a general audience in 120 to 150 words. Remove jargon, keep accuracy, and add a 1-sentence, why it matters. A few more practical examples. Write a pop chorus in English about starting over after a breakup. 8 lines, rhyme scheme AABBCCDD, each line 6 to 8 syllables. Or examples used in chemistry, physics, etc. Explain acid-base reactions to a high school student using simple language and 2 everyday analogies. Then give 5 practice questions with answers. Or, explain Newton's second law for beginners using 1 real-life example and 1 simple math example. Then ask me 3 questions to test understanding. Practical example in the financial field. Create a monthly budget for someone earning $2,000 per month. Goal: save 15% and pay off $1,000 debt in 4 months. Output as a table plus 5 saving tips. Practical example in the legal field. Summarize this contract in plain language. Key obligations, payment terms, termination conditions, and risky clauses to review. Then list 10 questions to ask a lawyer. This type of prompt is perfect when you want a specific output, clear steps, or a controlled result. Instruction prompts help you guide the AI, reduce randomness, and get practical answers faster. They are a key step after simple prompts in learning prompt engineering.
Follow for more AI prompt tutorials.